So just setting up the roof now, and the hatch was just a little bit too small, a little smaller and too big. Mark's just cutting it out. So getting all right. Here we're just preparing the wiring for the bathroom vent and the light. So I'm going to piggyback the 12 volt from the vent, and we've got a conduit through the wall there.
And it's a strengthening beam as well.
Yeah, and a strengthening beam. So we're going to pass the 12 volt through that to give power to the Fantastic and also to the roof vent that we've got in the main area. And there's also put a hole in there so to bring it in, and then you're going to dig out a bit around the edge there so that we can pass the power through there. A bit of preparation, so we put the floor in today, and we're going to give it a day so we can sort out all this sort of stuff, and also the
Let the glue dry.
let the glue dry, and also measure up the walls and everything, because there's a few things that weren't quite made to the exact measurements. So we're just going to see if we hopefully can get away without cutting anything down, because that'll affect all our pre-made cupboards and whatnot inside. So time will tell. Keep posted. Just drilling the hole for the get the wire through into the conduit. Attach this one here. We've got some 12 volt wire we're going to put through the conduit to connect to it. Making it a little bit bigger though.
Yeah, here we go, huh?
Feed the wire through.
A bit there, there. It's there. It goes in there. Right, so that's what we're going to do, is just put a bit of tape on here. That tells us when we're
when
Sure.
we're reached.
that lines up with that.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna.
And what did how did you prepare this earlier?
Well, this is 3mm twin core from Tycab, good Australian company, cable. And I've jointed here with soldered this joint here to put this little tail on here, which will come out of this hole here to the skylight there,
MIDI Hecky.
and it keeps coming through here, and then it comes out through a hole here through the bathroom vent, the
Fantastic. Yeah.
And there's a wire that goes to the Fantastic, then there's another wire that goes around in the foam and through a hole we've drilled through the foam here to the light in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Okay, so now the fun starts to get it all through there.
Through the conduit that was pre-made by Creative Composites.
Yes.
Put that in for us. And pre-drill all the holes before gluing it in. The wires all set up in there, goes around, one's already in there.
That's right on the wire.
Alright, let's skip that one. That's what happens when you put things dead in the centre.
Yeah.
Everything else is in the centre as well. We're doing straight line.
Oh, it's going to cure from the inside.
Right. In other words, it's not coming off.
No.
You better be right. Otherwise it'll have a pain or a new roof hatch.
Out of good juice.
Out of juice. Sealing it up. So what did you want to do with the... Don't double lick it. Just preparing the Hickey skylight now, and this is getting glued.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. It's never come off.
Nice big fat blob.
Okay.
Nice big fat blob.
Yes.
It's there to stay.
I can't hide.
I can't hide. So I've got to put the metal clips in to hold the bottom of it. They go in there.
One and two. I need two. Number two. And one. Two.
There's special ones on the ends there.
Oh,
And do we need to peel back the plastic as well? Yeah. Did you need to let the glue dry down a bit, or this is just to hold it in place?
just come and have a look around from here and see how that's squashing it down there.
Okay, that's a nice firm. The glue's all oozed out on the edge. Nice looking roof hatch.
Hey?
It's a nice looking roof hatch.